Let's make acid techno. First let's set the tempo to somewhat around 140 BPM, and start with some techno kicks. To make this crispier, I'll layer a top kick. And I'll add some distortion to this. Some EQ to take off the lows. And some more distortion. To create that techno kick rumble, I'll record the kick using Edison. Then blur it. And adjust it so that it plays counter to the kick. Then let's add some open hi-hats. After 8 bars, let's add some claps. And some closed hi-hats. Let's loop this for another 16 bars, and add some crashes. And some rides. I'll use kickstart on the rides to get a pumping effect like this. Guys, I quickly want to announce to you guys about my new project Audifix Audio. I just launched it on Instagram, and consider following me there because I'll be posting a lot of mixing tips and FL Studio tips there. There are a couple of more things that I'm working on now, but as for now I'll really appreciate if you can support this on Instagram. Enough of that, and let's jump back to our acid techno track. Let's keep the bass very simple by adding a deep bass following the pattern of the rumble. I'll sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. And add some EQ. Let's add some pads to add atmosphere to the track. I'll sidechain this. And add some EQ to clear out the sound. Now, the main element. Let's use a 3/3 acid bass to create a quick and repetitive pattern. I'll add another layer to solidify this. Then I'll sidechain this. And add some EQ to get rid of the harsh frequencies. Since this is a techno track, now we need to add some techno elements like Plucks. And some synth shots. Guys, since this doesn't seem interesting enough, let's create a cutoff automation on the acid bass like this. Then let's add some tonal shots. I'll pan these to the left and the right like this. Moving on to the second half of the drop, I'll add this cool acid sequence sound. I'll sidechain this and add some auto panning. Then I'll add this vocal and chop it up. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's add the tonal shots and the plucks. And add a re-space following the root note. I'll add an impact to transition into the build-up. And add the pads, the synth shots, and the acid bass. I'll create a cutoff automation using Fruity Filter to introduce the acid bass. Then let's add some risers. And some build-up drums. To create a fill before the drop, I'll add a sub-drop. A clap with a lot of reverb and delay. A small riser. And a downlifter into the drop. Now let's copy the entire track and paste it behind the drop, and do some adjustments to differ this from the first half. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.